Hello everyone, my name is Lawrence and welcome to our first video course in number series. Today we're going to talk about how to count numbers in Chinese language. If you already know how to count numbers in Chinese language, that is awesome because this video is an excellent review for you. But what if you don't know how to count numbers in Chinese language? Now is the best time to start learning. Let's get started. Today, we're going to learn how to count from 0 to 10. 0 to 10. Let's quickly start. 0 in Chinese is pronounced as ling. Repeat after me and watch my mouth. Ling. Just in case it's difficult for you to recall, you can use the ling in linguistics to record the number. Ling. And it has the third tone of Chinese language, which is the falling and rising tone. Ling. Ling. 1 in Chinese is pronounced as yi. Yi. Repeat after me. Yi. Just in case it's difficult for you to remember, you can use the E in if to remember the number. Yi. 2 in Chinese is pronounced as R. R. It has the falling tone, which is the fourth tone of Chinese language. R. You can use this method to remember this number, just like when you got a punch in your stomach, you say R because it pains you. So you can use that method to record the right pronunciation. R. 3 in Chinese is pronounced as san. Repeat after me. San is very easy and simple. 4 in Chinese is pronounced as si. Repeat after me. Si. It has the falling tone of Chinese language, the falling tone, which is the fourth tone. Si. Just in case you don't really know much about tones of Chinese language, you can visit our video lesson 2 of pinyin and learn more about tones. Si, which is 4. 5 in Chinese is pronounced as wu. Wu. It also has the third tone of Chinese, which is a falling and rising tone. Wu. Wu. Now we've learned lane, E, R, san, si, wu. 6 in Chinese is pronounced as liu. Liu. You can use the English name Liu to record this number. Liu. 7 in Chinese is pronounced as qi. Repeat after me and watch my mouth. Qi. It has the fourth tone, the first tone of Chinese language, which is the flat tone. Qi. 8 in Chinese is pronounced as ba. Ba. Also, the fourth tone of Chinese language, the first tone of Chinese language. Ba. Then 9 in Chinese is pronounced as qiu. It has the falling and rising tone. Qiu. Qiu. 10 in Chinese is pronounced as shi. Repeat after me. Shi. Shi. It has the rising tone of Chinese language, which is the second tone, rising tone. Shi. Beautiful. Now, let's read from 0 to 10. 零 一 二 三 四 五 六 七 八 九 10. Then let's read from 10 to 0. 10 9 8 七六五四三二一。Now, practice. Let's practice together. Learn. E R 三四五六七八九十。Today, we've been able to learn how to count Chinese numbers from 0 to 10. Believe me, if you can practice and know how to count these numbers from 0 to 10, it's gonna be simple for you to count from 10, from 11 to 20 upward and other number. It's gonna be simple for you to learn. So please take your time and practice how to count these numbers. Although starting it is always a little bit difficult to memorize them, but try as much as possible to learn how to count numbers, most especially from 0 to 10 in Chinese language. If you're new in our channel, remember to subscribe, like, share. Most importantly, to turn on your notification bell for more video updates. See you next time on the next video course. Titan.